Ready to unlock a new income stream by selling your amazing Looker Studio dashboards? First, identify a specific business niche or industry you want to target, for example, e-commerce sales or social media analytics. Then build a template that solves this problem by showcasing their relevant data in a way that is easy to understand. Duplicate an existing report you've created. Remove any sensitive client data and replace it with sample data or placeholder text. Then ensure your template is user-friendly by adding clear instructions on how to connect their own data sources. Next, choose your sales platform. You could use marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad, or even create your own website to sell your templates. When creating your listing, highlight the benefits of your template, like time saving, improved data insights, and professional reporting. Then set a competitive price based on the value you're offering. Promote your templates through social media, content marketing, or even collaborations with other data professionals, and most importantly, provide excellent customer support to build trust and encourage repeat business. Remember to continuously update your templates and create new ones to stay ahead of the curve. Now you're equipped to turn your Looker Studio expertise into a profitable venture, so go out there and start selling your templates today.